Hey guys, and in today's episode, I will be talking about our new amazing science project, which will be the baking soda and vinegar project. I'm sure you've heard this before, but in today's episode, we will be teaching you the steps, the process, everything, and we'll be even teaching you how this actually works. Now for the materials. For today's episode, we will be using baking soda and vinegar and a tiny bit of substitutes. And now for the demonstration, the moment we've all been waiting for. We pour the baking soda into the cup, and then we pour the vinegar into the cup and just watch the magic happen. Here we go. So now we'll be adding a tiny bit of food coloring to see if it changes the color at all of the chemical reaction. For our first attempt, we squeezed a couple of drops into the baking soda and we tried pouring vinegar into it, and let's see what happens. And as you can see, it didn't come out with a bunch of color. For our second attempt, we tried mixing it to see if it would change anything of the color display. It takes a bit of time, but it comes through. And now let's see if it changes anything. And look, it does. And you're probably wondering how it works. Well, the acid in the vinegar has a large chemical reaction with the baking soda, and it creates this acid called carbonic acid. And once this acid evaporates, it turns into carbon dioxide and particles of water. And we proved this because we put a lighting candle right above the experiment, and we knew if there was carbon dioxide, it would go right out. But if there was any other gas like oxygen, it would stay running. So now that you know it works, you can go try it yourself.